I have a photo walk for you guys, but first I want to introduce you to my new daughter. This is Kaya. She was born very recently. Special thanks to Christina for all the hard work.
You're welcome.
Yes, she is a blessing from God. She is adorable. Maybe one day she'll be able to come on a photo walk with me, but for now she can neither photo nor walk. She has hiccups. Anyway, this is her. Okay, enjoy the photo walk. I have come to one of the state parks. It is right next to the ICW here. So we have boats, we have some people hanging out, very expensive houses. I have my Sony a7s Mark III, and so far a 70 to 200 millimeter lens on the front of it. That is likely to change. Let's see what photos we can capture. Oh, gotta focus on that. Yeah. Fun. It's actually quite active today. It's lunchtime on a, what is this, Tuesday, Wednesday? Friday, oops. So I like these little corridors here. It's definitely something I wouldn't mind putting a boat in front of. Would you look at the vegetation? Very nice. What I might do is drop my f-stop way down and then bring my shutter speed up. If we can get some motion, I would not mind that at all. Where is he at? Okay. I'm gonna do a little pre-focus here. And I don't know if that actually blurred it at all, but we'll see. Yeah, that guy's coming pretty fast. And a dinghy. This might actually work really well. Might be the perfect size boat for this background. Alright. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. See how that just adds a little bit of action? Yeah, I feel good about that. Oh, look, ants. We got a little dinghy coming by. We're gonna see if they will give us something nice. If there's some nice storm clouds or something in the background, that would be kind of fun, right? Okay, focus. Okay. Yeah, not too much motion from them. Might have blurred a bit though. That's cool, very well. All right, I like these palm trees. This is intriguing to me. It's like we have this fella going by, but my lens is a bit too tight right now. It's time to make a change. Go from the 70 to 200 to the 16 to 35. All the way on the other end of the spectrum. Also, as always, I feel much less punctuated in the environment with the smaller lens. So I'm still at a 100th of a second. I'd love it if this red car was not on the side of the frame. I suppose I could push it into the water with my car. Nah, people in Florida like to sue people. Okay, I would have liked him to be beautifully in the middle of the center palm tree and the right palm tree, but I didn't get that shot. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could smell this grill. It's amazing. It's nice to be outside. A beautiful day, nice and warm. It's December. That's why Florida is fantastic. It's 78 degrees today. Hello, how are you? I'm on a golf cart. Make sure my burst is all the way up. Yeah, it's on high. High plus? Oh, what does that do? Can I do that? Oh my gosh. Yep, that's what we want. I foresee that filling up my buffer in about 1 second. Any caveats to high plus? I don't think so. I don't see anything. Oh, that's kind of fun. A little closer than I expected. Segways prohibited. Dang it. So I'm gonna have to walk. I don't do this often, guys, sorry. All right, welcome to the beach. Let's do that quickly. sip of coffee. Good morning. It is the next day. I am at the beach. Sunrise. A little post sunrise. The little one woke me up, so thought I would take advantage of that. Lovely silhouetted man. Oh, he's doing push-ups. That's good. Good on you, sir. There we go. Various motions. I'm very tempted to switch to my long lens, but I don't think I'm gonna do that right now. Check back in 30 seconds, but as of right now, and this might be why. See, I can get a bit more environment in this way. Lovely clouds this morning. I was a little timid about these clouds when I was looking out my window, because I wasn't sure if they were going to make the sunrise not be so interesting, but it's not really hurting anything. There we go. That's good. Yeah, he's going exactly the direction I want him to. Very nice. Very, very nice. Sometimes you can be tempted to switch over to the long lens because you see the possibilities with that lens, but you can miss the possibilities with a shorter lens. I like walking on this thing. I'm like a billy goat with a camera, trying to figure out where to put this cyclist in relation to these 3 palm trees. I also need the guy on my right to move, and I have a ship that is clashing with a tree. You can't have that. How you doing? Morning. We got these guys hanging out. A couple of lovebirds potentially. Make sure there's good separation between the heads so that they don't blend into one another. Is that all possible? Yeah, I'm happy I'm letting in more environment. Because like I said, I'd be very tempted, I am very tempted to switch over to the long lens. It's rewarding me having so much more environment in the scene. Ooh, bird. There we go, cool. When it comes to me, anytime there's a sunrise, expect silhouettes. I just love them. There's something really interesting about seeing people just sit on the beach in the morning, watch the sunrise, especially when they're on their own. There's just something so, is quaint the right word? I don't know. There's something beautifully human about it. Like, look at this girl. She's just sitting there, looking out, enjoying herself, maybe thinking about something. Reminds me that we're all human. I don't really know how to frame up these umbrellas. I'll try it. That kind of works. It's not the worst thing I've ever seen. The problem with these walls is that they stop. There are breaks. And I don't have the parkour skills to jump from there to there. Oh my gosh, it's a Christmas tree store. And it smells like Christmas trees. And they deliver? How can it get any better? It can't. It can't, that's how. There's a guy in the tower. Neat. Okay,